got the exhaust off the car, as you can see. What we're fixing to do is we're going to cut these pipes off. I'm going to buy some more pipe to extend these out a few inches and weld those together. And then what we're going with is these SpinTech Super Pro Street 9000s. These are super aggressive muffler. Should sound really good. I've got the tailpipes ordered, so they should be here within the next week or so. Hopefully. They've been kind of hard to track down. The ones I want are still on back order, and they're showing like 3 months out before they come in. So we're gonna go ahead and try to put something together on this exhaust. But right now I'm gonna go ahead and cut these mufflers off. Alright, I got the exhaust mocked up. I've got the tailpipes on it now. Couldn't go with the stainless ones because they never did get those back in stock. That's alright. I'll give you a little shot of the mufflers, which none of this is welded in. So don't pay any attention to the wire hanging, holding them up right now. I just got it mocked up. Give you a little shot in under there. I've got 2.5 inch pipe coming from the X pipe back to 2.5 inch SpinTech Super Pro Street 9000s, and then that just comes all the way back with the tailpipes up and over the axle and out the back. Alright, just finished up the exhaust. Got a couple of little leaks probably I'm gonna have, I know. I'll go back and fix those, but give you a little shot. Headers into the X pipe, straight back into the SpinTech Super Pro Streets. 2.5 inch. And then we got the tailpipes run out the back. Right there. Let's go ahead and fire it up, see what she sounds like. I don't know about you guys, but I am digging it. I don't know how well it comes through on the camera, but in person, even though I got a few leaks, I do got a couple of leaks underneath. my wonderful flux core welding skills laying on my back ain't the greatest in the world, but hey, do what you gotta do. But I don't know how well it's coming through on the camera, but in person it is loud. My neighbors are probably gonna really hate me. But yeah, I do like the way the tailpipes look on it. I wish I could have got the stainless ones, but like I say, I got tired of waiting. They had them on back order. I think it was going to be like mid-May or something, I think, before it said that they were going to come in. So I thought, nah, I'm not going to pay $300 and something for a set of stainless Flowmaster ones. Which, the ones that I got right here are the Flowmaster brand, but they're just the regular aluminized or whatever. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you think. Like I said, these are the SpinTech Super Pro Street 9000, or I think they call them SpinTech 9000s, whatever. They're like the little short race mufflers. But through tailpipes, they sound good, really good in person. A lot better than probably what they're coming through on the camera. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a little sound clip of the Mustang. I'm having to wait to get the registration on it now because it's going to cost me an extra $200 on top of what it costs to pay the fees to get the registration and the new tag and all that. Just because I had no idea you're supposed to surrender your tag if you have a car that's in storage or off the road, not running, whatever. Well, I did not know that. So now it's going to cost me an extra $200. So it's kind of been one thing after another. But anyway, stay tuned. Let me know what you think about the new exhaust. We'll catch you guys on the next video soon. Remember, ain't nothing to it but to do it. Thank you guys for watching.